Let's keep going because there's probably going to be a few more vantage points and things we can see on the way, and that's spending a penny.
Go to travelcostarica.com, fill out the form, and we...
Welcome back to day 2, Arenal, La Fortuna. It's time to go to the observatory. Let's go have some fun.
On my own, but I'm never alone. On a road to wherever I want. And you see, I go with the wind. The places I've been, I keep them within. Holding on to a feeling so strong. On my own. On my
Inside the observatory lodge now, paid 6,000 colones per person. So kids, remember, kids are free. I'm excited. We got to drive about 1 kilometer up. Look at this road. Take a look. Jackfruit. Jackfruit.
Yes.
break for a little bit of drink and something to eat. Currently, I believe, on the La Hormiga Trail, which is 45 minutes. It's easy, 550 meters. And then we're going to come out on the end of the Ciano Trail. And then that trail done. Let's go get some coffee, look at the museum. Kids want to go to the bathroom. The observatory is an amazing place. We obviously came I think a little bit too late. I'd recommend, if you do decide to come without a stroller for sure, because it was quite tough, but we managed a little bit. Make sure your children are a little bit older and they're aware, and keep your eyes on them at all times, because it is quite dangerous at times here. But it's a beautiful place for 6,000 colones for each person. I think it's definitely worth it, especially if you come here in the morning and spend all day here. It's definitely worth it, just spending the whole day here. There's a restaurant here, you can grab lunch, or do like we did. We're about to make some sandwiches for the road. You can bring food with you in the car, keep it in your car in some coolers with some ice packs like we did, and yeah, it's not a problem. So amazing place. I highly recommend it. Thank you, Michael. Yeah, make sure you visit travelcostaricanow.com. Michael and D'Angelo will help you out, hook you up. They hooked me up with this beautiful information here to come here instead of some other place that I found online, and yeah, beautiful. Thank you again. All right, I think that's us done here at the observatory. We're gonna slowly start heading back, because if we leave now, we'll be back home 22 minutes before sunset. So let's get going. Maybe we'll stop somewhere on the way, maybe not, we'll see. Hope you enjoy the trip. Nothing special, but it works. Quick bite to eat. It's a rainforest after all. down these mountains, you can really feel it in your ears, the change of pressure. So we were at, the highest we've been at is above 600 meters above sea level. When dropped down to below 200, and now we're again up at about 400. So just keep going up and down, turning. The roads, you know, they're quite intense. We're traveling around 120 kilometers, something that in Europe would take about, you know, an hour, hour and a half to do. Here it takes about 2 to 3 hours because the roads, you know, you're constantly going slower and faster, slower and faster. Time to visit some places we've already been to. Take a look at these views. Now we're back in a place we've been before, back into where we were here for our honeymoon. Let's take a look around at Playa Hermosa, and then we'll drive over to Playa del Coco and grab a bite to eat before we head home. Take a look. So those were the villas we stayed at last time we were here. Well, not last time, the first time we were over in Costa Rica 5 years ago. Don't remember any of those shops on the right being here, so that looks like it's something new, something. Alright, just gonna grab some dinner, did enough budgeting, gonna stop at a bar, gonna get some food and call it a day.